Do you know why you are failing in manifesting your vision? Do you know why most of the people are thinking that law of attraction is a scam? The main reason behind this is because of their 3D reality. Those who are focusing too much on their external reality, or those who are using too much of their logic, are the people those who are saying that this law of attraction and all are fake. And this kind of people cannot manifest anything with their will, because they are constantly focusing on lack. Because their external reality is influencing their thinking. When the external reality controlling your thinking, you cannot make a new reality with your will. So if you want to truly shift your external reality, you must learn to ignore your external reality. Also, you must learn to ignore your logic, because like Albert Einstein said, with logic, you can only go from A to B. But with imagination, you can go anywhere you want. So if you are a highly logical person, just forget about conscious manifestation. But in this case, also you are manifesting unconsciously, but according to what your 3D reality is saying. So whenever your 3D reality says, I don't have enough money, this kind of people are constantly manifesting that. When their 3D reality says, I'm not good enough, this people are constantly manifesting that. But why this is happening? The main reason behind this phenomenon is that your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what is real and what is imagined. So whenever you allow your 3D reality to influence your thinking, your subconscious mind says, okay, boss, you don't have enough money, I'll make more of such situations, and it will constantly manifest in your life, and you will become more and more broke. And there are another category of people. They will not allow their 3D reality to influence their thinking. They will only believe in their imagination. So this kind of people will constantly manifest what they want, because they are not allowing their 3D reality to influence their thinking. Instead of their 3D reality, they allow their imagination to influence their thinking. And when this happens, what happens next? As I said above, your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what is real and what is imagined. So your subconscious mind will say, okay, boss, as you are saying you are wealthy, money is constantly flowing to you, so I'll make more and more situations like this. That's why Jesus said after performing every single miracle to believe, because if you use logic, miracles will not happen. Those who can believe in that invisible only can manifest whatever they want. This is the secret code to manifest. And also understand, if you are saying this law of attraction and all are fake, your subconscious will create more and more situations like that to make this statement real. Never use negative statements if you want a positive life. By using positive thought pattern, you will never get a negative life. Also, by using a negative thought pattern, you will never get a positive life, because your subconscious are listening to you 24/7. And also understand what you are constantly giving to your subconscious mind will eventually become your reality. This is the law of the universe. The law that have created by humans are changeable, but you cannot change the universal laws. Okay, now let's see the legend Bob Proctor's way to control your reality. According to Bob Proctor, to manifest anything you want, you must create that particular state in your imagination, and then view the world from that state. Your paradigm is instantly going to put up a royal battle. You cannot let the paradigm control you. It's like a person inside that's against you. That's really what it's like. It's like a person that's inside talking to you and it's against you. It's a program. It's a paradigm. And it talks to your consciousness when you're alone, when you're laying in bed or getting up in the morning, or maybe when you're standing in the shower, and it's telling you why you can't do it. You don't have the money. You don't know how you're never going to get somebody to believe in this. All those ideas are going to flow into your mind. That's where that feeling inside it starts to create doubt, starts to create fear, all kinds of nonsense. All hell is going to break loose inside and will continually fight you. You must take conscious control over the paradigm, remove and replace it. Logic is like an invisible ceiling that most people never go through. They set goals. Somebody will say, well, that's just not realistic. I wonder what the Wright brothers caused their neighbors to think. You know, it was just a little over 100 years ago, 115, 18 years ago, that they got us off the ground. Now think, do you think they let logic stop them? No one had ever flown. They were bicycle mechanics. They weren't engineers. They weren't flight engineers. But they got us off the ground. And look at today. I see that thing, Boeing, I think it is, have a great big Dreamliner. I saw a thing on television where it taxis a little bit and then turns this way. whoo, goes straight up. Hundreds of people on it. The Wright brothers would be turning over their grave if they saw that deal happen. Now think, logic. Absolutely refuse to let logic stop you. Okay, that's the real secret of manifestation. And here I'm concluding this video. See you on next video. Thank you.